Welcome back. So that's Big Creek Campground that we just passed. We just got on the blacktop from Forest Road 24, and I think we're on Lake Cushman Road. I'll put it in the description once I make this video. It might technically be Forest Road 24 still, but I want to use what Google Maps uses. Yeah, so we're gonna make the video to Staircase, and then 2 more after this. Should be a pretty good day. And delete a bunch of bad videos after we make these. Unfortunately, we're not on the pavement very long, and we go to the horrible pothole section. Window looks clean still. So this section of road last year, I found an article during COVID in the summertime. There was a 6-mile backup one day. Like, so many people were trying to get out here, and that there was people couldn't even turn around, the article said. So on August 22nd of 2020, they closed the road and all of the hiking trails in this area until the weather turned worse, they said, because there was just too many people coming out. It's crazy how COVID has made people get out more, for sure. See if it continues. All right, here is our gravel road. So the speed limit, I guess, is 25 on this road. Yeah, this road is not fun. Definitely the worst road I've found so far this year. Just so many potholes on it. I really hope they fix it. Come to potholes. I better slow down. We'll go 15. Sure if you can see the lake as much driving this way on this side, so maybe I will keep the old video of this section but add this one too, because I don't use the wide angle anymore. I don't like it how it bends things on the edge. Campground Road's coming up already. Still don't understand if that's a road to the trailhead or if that is the trailhead. I haven't figured that out. Need to park there sometime and start walking up the hill and see if there's a parking lot. Yeah, this side of the road is a lot better than the other side for potholes. To drive through the campground this time. Didn't do that last time for some reason. Not sure why. I don't think we felt like we had time. It was pretty late when we left. Oh, and welcome to Olympic National Park. Oh, and the road's paved the rest of the way. Oh, it's 15 miles an hour. So this is the Skokomish River that flows into this lake. It's the river that goes under the high steel truss bridge. Wow, all the little waterfalls are still going. I'm curious to see how busy it is, the parking lot, on a Wednesday. I'm gonna say half full. And the campground, I bet, probably only like a third full. Yeah, this video is gonna look a lot better than the last one. So on the way out, I might stop at, well, no, I'm not going to. I don't want to. I was gonna stop at some of those lake pull-offs, but I want to wait till we have our chairs and can sit out and have a little snack. Wow, little shack is still closed. Probably opens up Memorial Day, is my guess. Wow, campground is empty. I was wrong. It's not even a third full. We'll do a quick drive-through. Oh, and the parking lot's not that full either. The lower one's pretty full, but the upper one looked like, I wonder if it's only 10-15% full. This campground is really neat. I want to come back here with the platform tent. Probably you could get the RV in here, but I do not want to drive on that road with it and rattle everything. Yeah, this is nice. There is no one here. I'm hoping on the eastern part of the state it's the same way midweek, and I can take the truck out and find campgrounds like this super easy. Like, I don't need power. People just having a picnic, it looks like. Ah, walk-in sites were to my right. So at the entrance, I saw one person who looked like she was probably living out of a camping van with the full setup. It'd be pretty awesome to be here for like 3-4 days during the week. There is no self-service. That's the only bad thing. It is a nice campground though. And that's it. we are gonna head back toward Hoodsport. So we're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. And I hope you liked it better than the first time if you saw the first one. I'll leave the first one up. But I will see you in a bit.